On Monday, 30th May 2022, members of the Hynniewtrep Integrated Territorial Organization Hito Bhoi Circle, under the leadership of its president Ban Kharnaior and Secretary Nongrum, had visited the Jal Jeevan Mission Project site at Umtrew Dong Umlaren to inspect the water source that had been set up to supply water to the entire Umtrew Village. During the inspection, the members of Hito witnessed the empty water source of which rupees 2 crores had been sanctioned for its construction. The members of the organization informed that the construction of the water source is incomplete and therefore they have urged upon the Dorbarshnong of Umtrew to not issue the completion certificate to the contractor and at the same time to not release the bill for the incomplete project of the JJM. At the same time, the members of Hito informed that they will not cease to follow up on the particular project under the JJM scheme and will soon report the same to concerned authorities.
Mangilawan mene na po sus na cakatan ya ka banwan ban pelang ya ka hangni. Tinang ting layu I lupa baka kamdon. Ya hangni menta ni pensisya hangni ba ka kamla kamdon hiru bakan jauh hangni kendiat ro. Kalong ha season page ni iba nila yo kata kajing mentoy na menta ka Shillong penban lada kalong rumah kani ka rukom kalong tangkong ka frame berka jing ka batang man supen I man pentame yo pajba henry kano ka kajing jenjar yaki kanang ban susu nadu lawan kani ka JJM scheme ka gila di man pahu henry kinang kerdu susu penban telah kan turu ya ka office bakan dai ban page benya halor kani ba om dai ta kani ka dong kani ka Shillong Umtrew berkiwi kijing tray kibadan nan hakan ka scheme JJM baka office kan page benya bakan le benya kenang bagi page ba kinyo ya kijing mentoy.